Where does everybody stay when there's a catastrophic event? Because obviously, there could be hotels not available, torn down, and if policyholders have lost their homes, they're going to want to get access. So everybody's coming in. What do you do?
That's a good question, and it really depends on the event. I'll tell you, in California, those folks, when wildfires, depending on the situation, but you get into communities or areas where their whole house is gone.
Mm-hmm.
They gotta have like you said, they've got to have a place to stay, right?
Mm-hmm.
So they're in the hotels, extended stays,
Mm-hmm.
and wherever other places that offer the short-term stay. So you may find yourself, believe it or not, staying in your vehicle
Yeah.
overnight
Yeah.
or for however long. You may be an hour, 2 hours, 6, 8 hours away. It depends on the availability
Mm-hmm.
and the how the event is going, and just with hurricanes, you're gonna have to stay on the outer lying areas possibly. And
Mm-hmm.
I've heard of and actually experienced driving a couple of hours away, staying a couple of hours
Mm-hmm.
away from the lost location,
Right.
driving to it. So it really depends on the situation in hand, because I can't tell you that a catastrophe or an event in California, you're gonna it's going to be the same situation as far as living situation as it is in Minnesota or in
Mm-hmm.
Tennessee. Something happens. So
Mm-hmm.
just be prepared for anything, really.
Yeah, many of the storms that I've worked would be a 2-hour drive going in and then 2 hours coming back, and then there's all of the traffic because everybody's trying to do the same thing, get to the area. You have your first responders, adjusters, contractors, and all of these resources are being taken up as far as lodging.
Right.
So hotels, plus the hotels can get expensive.
You can.
And then some people, like you said, have stayed in their vehicles until they could some have purchased RVs, campers, but still those camping grounds may not be readily available or easily available, and you still have to have a vehicle. You can't necessarily drive your camper up to the lost location.
No,
So
you don't want to do that.
so your options are really a hotel, your car, or an RV or camper.
Right.